Did you know that 97% of project managers believe that project management systems do not only increase performance, but is critical to the business and its success? Failing to plan for your projects is setting yourself up for failure. All project managers know how difficult planning and monitoring projects are. But what if there was an easy way out that not only guarantees that the job is being done fast, but being done right as well? Forward-thinking companies have been looking into different technological trends that can help in executing a project much easier. And Taylor's Enterprises Incorporated has been one of those companies. Aiming to have one data, they have looked at ways to smoothen out the wrinkles in the way they manage projects. And they have found a solution. Kernel, a project management system designed and developed specifically for them. When implemented, Kernel will be able to help support the way projects are handled, whether it be planned, ongoing, or completed. It hosts an array of modules that cover the project management life cycle, which are the project initiation and planning, monitoring, control, and closing. The Project Initiation and Planning module is home to the project creation function. Projects can be created from scratch with the use of project templates or even through importing a spreadsheet. Users can add main activities, sub-activities, and tasks, as well as tag departments that are responsible for performing them. Task dependencies are also set in the project creation process. This process is capped off and consolidated into a single Gantt chart that has been infused with a RASI chart for easy viewing of responsibilities for each task. After creating the project, managers are now able to delegate the tasks to their team members. The task delegation function also includes the workload assessment, which helps managers and supervisors make smarter decisions on which employee would be best suited for a certain task. The project monitoring module is where users will spend most of their time. Here, users can find all the tasks assigned to them per project. Users can also complete tasks as part of the project progress function. They can also upload, download, and acknowledge documents, which are all stored and accessible under Project Documents. The monitoring module is not only limited to projects. Managers and supervisors can monitor their respective teams and the tasks that they handle. Through this function, they can see who are assigned to be responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed for their team members' tasks. Project control is mainly where users can request for a change in the tasks assigned to them. A change may be either in task performer or end date. These requests are then sent to their supervisors for approval. Managers can also control their team's tasks through the reassignment function. This allows them to reassign or redelegate certain tasks to different employees. This can be done to tasks that are planned, ongoing, or delayed. This module is also home to Kernel's performance assessment function that catalogs user, project, and department timeliness and completeness in regards to the tasks they handle. Each completed task adds to the completeness metric, just as each delayed task affects the timeliness metric. These KPIs help gauge which areas need improvement. This falls under TEI's process improvement plan and will help them in the long run. Project closing caps off the project management life cycle. Here, users can generate reports and archive projects which could later be used as project templates. The reports that could be generated range from project status, progress, summary, and performance. Similar to how an employee can generate a report based on their KPIs. As for the departments, a department performance report can be generated by the executives to evaluate the company as a whole based on their given KPIs. These reports can be generated at weekly or monthly intervals, whichever the user prefers. Completed projects are automatically archived after 7 days from its completion, but project owners can manually archive them before the given threshold. Aside from the modules and functions that were discussed, Kernel is also equipped with features that enhance the user's experience and the way they can manage projects. All movements done within Kernel for a certain project are saved and stored under the project logs. These logs can serve as an audit trail for TEI if the need may arise to backtrack activities within a project. Going hand in hand with the logs are the notifications. As each movement is logged, they also notify users that are involved with that task, whether it be the RASI or its post-requisite. Ultimately, Kernel addresses the delay in project execution that TEI encounters. It captures the project management life cycle from project creation down to its closing. Through its modules, it allows users to go through the phases with ease to ensure that all projects are planned correctly and monitored through the cycle. Each module was crafted to resolve the identified problems. The Project Initiation and Planning module solves the handling of multiple projects and the inequitable distribution of work, while the Project Monitoring module aids in project transparency, managing documents, and project updates. Meanwhile, the last two modules, Project Control and Closing, add to the monitoring and controlling of projects, tasks, and teams. With Kernel in place, TEI is ensured that their projects are being done on time and as planned.